Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can back up your emails into Outlook. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Outlook Mail application on your computer. And now, you just simply have to go into Settings by tapping on this gear icon. After coming into Settings, you can find the General Settings here. Click into that, and after that, go to the Privacy and Data section. From the Privacy and Data section, you will find so many options here. You will get an Export button here. You just simply have to click into that Export button. After clicking there, it will say something like this: Export in Progress option. And after some time, your mails will be exported into your computer from Outlook. By following these very easy steps, you can easily back up your emails from Outlook into your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.